Hi everyone and welcome to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how you can reverse a clip in CapCut. So let's just quickly import a video onto our timeline, and now you can see it is in our forward motion and we are going to be reversing that. So the steps are pretty simple. All you need to do is simply select your video, and then from the top you can see you have this little icon which shows reverse, and you can see also reverse popping up. Simply click on that and just wait for a couple of moments and you will be able to see that our video is now reversed. So when I play this, you can see that it is now reversed. So that's how you can reverse a clip in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.